Hello and hi friends, my name is Suresh Chauhan and you are watching my channel Taught Tech. So friends, today in this video we're gonna discuss and resolve this issue of Windows, which is Microsoft error, which is an Microsoft Store error, and the error comes with an error code library is empty. So we're gonna fix this by a PowerShell method. For that you have to go on the startup menu. On the startup menu on the search program, you just have to type PowerShell. Now you have to open the PowerShell. Once when you come across the interference of PowerShell, you just have to click on the taskbar. You can see the taskbar is over here. You just have to right click on this. Now you have to copy a link. You have to copy a text from the description box I have given there. You just need to go on the description and you just need to copy that text. Here it is. You just need to copy it. Then again you have to open the PowerShell. On the PowerShell on the taskbar you just need to click right click on this. Then afterward you have to click on edit. Now you have to click on paste. Now you just need to press enter. That's it. This was the command you have given. Now your problem will be resolved by this method. So friends, hope this video help you out. If this video help you out, then please give a like button to this video and even do subscribe my channel for more further videos like this. If you still have the same problem, you can leave your comment on the comment section. I will definitely help you out within 24 hours. Thank you friends. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.